Welcome to our first pre-class video in a series of videos you'll be watching before class each week. Today, we'll be talking about exponential functions and comparing them to linear functions that you might be more familiar with. What is an exponential function? Well, an exponential function is just a function where the variable, usually x, is located in the exponent. They're typically in the form a times b to the x, where a is a non-zero real number called the initial value, and b, the base of our exponent, is any positive real number other than 1. So we could determine which of the following equations are exponential functions. Well, for our first one, f of x, we'll notice that we have a base and we have an exponent, and so this is a little more complicated, but it is an exponential function because our variable is in the exponent. On the other hand, g of x is not an exponential function because the variable is in the base instead of the exponent. This is instead a polynomial. H of x, 1/3 to the x. Well, we could imagine this as 1 times 1/3 to the x. This is definitely a times b to the x, and therefore this is an exponential function. But what's going on with j here? J of x equals -2 to the x. We'll notice that this is not positive. We require that this is a positive real number, and therefore this is not an exponential function.